Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Over time, they can wear down, leading to higher energy bills, decreased comfort, and even structural issues. If you're a homeowner in Rockville, Maryland, knowing when to replace your windows can save you money and enhance your home's value. Here are the top signs that indicate it's time for window replacement. Drafts and air leaks. Have you ever felt a cold breeze near your windows even when they're closed? This is a clear sign that your windows are no longer providing proper insulation. Gaps, cracks, or worn-out seals can allow air to escape, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Replacing old, drafty windows with energy-efficient models can reduce heat loss and lower your energy bills. Rising energy bills. If your utility bills have been steadily increasing without a clear reason, your windows could be the culprit. Old or poorly sealed windows allow heat to escape in the winter and let warm air in during the summer, causing your heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce energy consumption and save you money. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you're struggling with sticking, jamming, or difficulty locking them, it may be due to warped frames, rusted hinges, or broken hardware. Windows that don't function properly pose a security risk and can also be a fire hazard if they can't be opened in an emergency. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fog or condensation between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, it indicates a failed seal. When window seals break, moisture seeps in, reducing insulation and energy efficiency. Once this happens, replacement is often the best solution, as repairing failed seals is usually not cost-effective. Visible damage or decay. Do your window frames show signs of rot, warping, or chipping? Moisture exposure over time can cause wood frames to deteriorate, leading to mold growth and structural damage. Cracked or broken glass is another major issue, not only affecting aesthetics but also reducing insulation and security. If you see physical damage, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Excessive outside noise. Your windows should provide a level of sound insulation. If outside noises like traffic, barking dogs, or loud neighbors seem unusually loud inside your home, your windows may have lost their effectiveness. Modern windows with soundproofing technology can significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Fading furniture and flooring. Sunlight streaming through outdated windows can cause your furniture, carpets, and hardwood floors to fade over time due to harmful UV rays. New energy-efficient windows come with UV protection coatings that help reduce sun damage while still allowing natural light into your home. Older windows with outdated technology. If your windows are more than 15-20 years old, they likely lack modern energy-efficient features such as double glazing, low E coatings, and insulated frames. Replacing outdated windows with newer models can improve insulation, security, and curb appeal while enhancing your home's overall value. Water leaks and mold growth. Water stains, mold, or mildew around your windows are indicators of leaks. Persistent moisture problems can lead to serious health issues and structural damage if left unaddressed. New, properly installed windows will prevent leaks and keep your home dry and safe. Lack of curb appeal. If your home's exterior looks outdated or worn, replacing old windows can be an excellent way to boost curb appeal and increase property value. New windows can enhance the aesthetics of your home and make a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers. Final thoughts. Recognizing the signs that you need window replacement in Rockville, Maryland, can save you money, improve comfort, and enhance your home's look and value. If you're experiencing any of these issues, consider upgrading to high-quality, energy-efficient windows. Contact a trusted window replacement expert in Rockville today to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of new, efficient windows.